Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Samsung was one of the first manufacturers to introduce a phone with curved edge displays. The Edge display, as it's called and found on almost all of Samsung's flagship phones these days, is also accompanied by the Edge screen features. Well, you know what? You don't have to buy a Galaxy flagship to get those features. Here's what you can do instead. Head over to the Google Play Store and look up Edge Screen app. It is developed by one of XDA's senior members, and the app brings Edge panels on any Android phone, not just Samsung phones. Once you install it, you'll see how ridiculously easy it is to configure it according to your needs as well. The developer also says that he plans to develop more Edge panels such as Weather Edge, Google Drive Edge panel, Dropbox Edge panel, etc. So, check it out right now.